Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and I'm super excited for another new new event going on for LV Handcrafted. This is the new Easy for one sheet printable coffee, and you get sentiments and all these cute images, and it's intended for the Easy for Easy Wonder Die number 4. And I love all these coffee sentiments. They're so fun, and I love that you can use the ultimate universal sentiments die to cut those out, and then you can layer your sentiments as well. So here is the Easy 4 bundle that I purchased from the Not Too Shabby shop. And so I am just going to open it. So let's call this an unboxing. And I'm going to take it out, use it for the first time. So let me see how to get it, all the sticky paper off the back. And I didn't, okay, well, not too bad. I thought I was going to take the whole sheet off there. Okay, so here is what it's meant to do. You get 2 strips, you get some hexagon, triangles, you get that big hexagon there on the right. So nice. Lynn has the lines there. You have these add-on dies, so you can cut out a hexagon there. You can cut out, you know, the images using your brother's scan and cut, or you can fussy cut, or whatever electric machine you like to use. So I'm going to cut out this piece here so we can use the Easy Wonder Die number 4. And I'm so excited. So let's get started. So this is part of a scavenger hunt. So my video, I will give you a link. And once you get there's 4 printables, 4 new Easy for one sheet printables. So once you get all, here's what it looks like all cut out. Once you get all 4 of those links, then you can go to LV Handcrafted, and then you can put those links and put them in your cart. And at checkout, if you have all 4, then it should be free. Look how pretty that is. I love, love, love. I probably didn't have my plates on correctly, or, you know, it shifted, so that's why this piece didn't get cut out right here, but no big deal. Just use my scissors. It was just 1 triangle there. And so pretty. I love all that distressing and dots. You don't even have to do anything to that piece. And I love this add-on, and I'm so glad it was a bundle because everything's needed here. And I'm so happy to have it. So the hardest part is, like, what do I use for my cards? There's so many. I love every single images, and the other printables are just so cute too. And so I didn't know what I wanted to use for my cards today. So, but I love coffee, and so that's my number 1 priority. So I can't choose something else over coffee. I mean, if I have the choice, I'm gonna choose coffee. And coffee just makes me happy. Earlier I was feeling slow, and then I had coffee, and it just, I don't know, there's just magic in there because it just got me to make things, and just got everything else I needed done. So thank you, coffee. And so I'm fussy cutting these coffee beans. Yes, I know a lot of us aren't fans of coffee. See what I'm saying? Of fussy cutting. So I'm trying to make it pain-free. So here we are here, and I think no matter what you pair with these images, you're going to have the cutest cards. And I just love seeing all this green colored dies. I don't know what color green you would call this green. What color is it? Is it mint? What color is it? But I love all of them. Seeing them on my desk here. And now I have lots and lots of LV handcrafted dies. Yay. So I love the strip here, and I love those hexagon pieces, and you get 2 blue, so I was trying to see if I can do it that way. And so let's cut out some sentiments and get started putting our cards together. So I was first just going to do 1 card, and then it turns out I do 2 cards. So and I found some printables in my drawer. So I used the Easy Card Making Kit coffee cups, and I just love this printable here. So it's just, I just had to use it because it's coffee and those are pretty colors. And I also use the Easy Postage Coffee Girls. So that's another perfect one, and I'm going to put those in the description because you need both of these kits also. So I will put those down for you, and doing a little more fussy cutting here. And if you have to close your eyes or fast forward it, I won't get my feelings hurt. And so almost done here. And so I love this image. So pretty. So everything's looking so good right now. And I have my sentiments strips using the Ultimate Universal Sentiments die. And these are at the Not Too Shabby shop. So I will have my affiliate links for those as well. And it just helps me out when you use them, and there's no extra cost to you. And it helps me. So thank you so much in advance. And if you use my code vonmariedesign in capital letters, you will also save money at LV Handcrafted. So, and I wanted to use those triangles, so I was figuring out what can I do? What can I do with them to use them? I always wanted triangle dies, so I'm so excited for those. And I love all the sizes here too. I love all the layering. So these are just going to be so much fun. So I'm going to use that big hexagon, and I have my 2 printables there really quickly. So again, Easy Postage Coffee Girls and the Easy Card Making Kit coffee cups. So those are my all this is my favorite right now. Well, I'm sure forever, because I love coffee and these colors. So I thought I would bring in that bluish color to kind of match the bag of coffee beans. It's not the same exact color, and you could ink blend it and get a more exact color. And maybe I do have that cardstock that color, but again, I was in a hurry. And I wanted to get this video made for you. And so, and I want to get some projects done because I might be babysitting tomorrow. So our friend, her birthday, it's her birthday, and Oliver is a month old, and so we might babysit him, so for her birthday, which is a treat for us because we love seeing him. So going and gluing that, and I have some blue A2 card bases here, something different, and I'm going to bring in my trimmer just because it feels like there's a little bit of cardstock showing, so I wanted to make sure and measure it correctly. And so here, and I'm going to add some triangles, and that is from using the Easy Wonder die number 4. So I cut out that nice pretty piece there that I cut out at the beginning. And then I'm going to put my sentiment in a little wonky here. And I was saying I do have my cards right by me, so coffee first, adulting later, right? Love that. And so I put another triangle, so yay, I'm using them. Gives it a little bit of layering without adding some foam tape or anything. And then I will add my coffee beans, or my bag of coffee beans. And then I'm going to add another thing here. I love it already. So I'm going to start putting my other card together. So that the coffee background is from Coffee Girls, Easy Postage Coffee Girls, I believe. And again, using a blue A2 card base. And then I was going to glue that strip on there, and I realized that I had cut out another strip using the add-on die set. So I love that. And wouldn't that be a cute bookmark? I mean, you can put anything in those hexagons. And layering this bigger hexagon that we cut out using that printable. So like I said, this is a scavenger hunt, and Lynn is putting her links to these printables different spots. I'm not sure if she knows where I'm going to be putting my link, but since you are a subscriber, you can grab my link for this printable, collect all 4 links, and then you can get them for free at LV Handcrafted. And I think in September or so, she's going to have them available to purchase. So that is, this promotion will go until the end of the month. So on September 1st, they will be available for the public. So good to know. I wanted to make sure because I just found out this information, and I don't want to give you any false information. Lynn, I'm sure will have a video. She's supposed to have a launch video for her new die on the 21st, which this video is airing on the 21st as well. So check out everywhere for all the inspiration. I know Lynn has cards she's made. I use the easy printable buzzing bees today, which on the 20th, that's today. And you can use the Easy Wonder die number 4 with that as well. And some of you have that printable, which is really cute. Okay, so adding a coffee on there next to that hexagon. I fussy cut that coffee bean heart. I added a muffin, or I'm adding a muffin, chocolate chip, and I love chocolate chip muffins. Oh my gosh, I don't buy them because I will eat them all. And adding my sentiment strip that says, "Thanks a latte for everything." And isn't that super cute? And I was looking at my card and I realized that I could add something else. So I'm going to add this croissant, and I will tuck it in underneath the coffee there. Luckily, I left some space, and so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so thankful to have this printable, and I hope you grab it as well. So I will leave the link in the description, so then you just have 3 other places to look for your link. And here's close-up. So which one is your favorite? And thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.